Hi, I'm Tim. Welcome to our channel, and thanks for logging on. If you enjoy these videos, do me a favor and subscribe to our YouTube channel right here at Watchbox Reviews. I would really appreciate it, and I promise to update daily. If you love this watch, you can see it, and you can purchase it on our website, thewatchbox.com. Today we are discussing one of my favorite variants on the classical 36mm Rolex Datejust. This is the Oyster Perpetual Datejust 116-200, the double zero with the domed bezel, a lovely profile that gives the watch a little bit of an air of vintage Rolex bubble back. On my 16cm circumference wrist, you can see this one's easy to wear. 36mm is a classic and versatile size, and even with the domed bezel, it's only 11.6mm thick, so wonderfully low slung. It'll slip easily under a dress cuff. The watch, 44.3mm from lug to lug. If you add the solid end links of the bracelet, it's still only 45.5mm. And if you look at the spacing of the lugs, 20mm is a universal size for aftermarket straps, but a modern Rolex watch really only feels right on a modern Rolex bracelet, and that's what you get right here. Now this watch is a D series, late D series from late 2005, and it features the modern full solid link Oyster bracelet, solid end link, solid center link, nicely executed polished centers, staggered link alignment, alternating finish with satin shoulders, outer faces on both sides of high polish, and sizable links are fixed with screws. Another feature of the most modern Oysters is that there is a beak and hook system internally. You can see the hook and you can see the beak, and the two snap shut with a wonderful, crisp, sharp report. And this is a lift lock system. It's not friction fit. One engages the other and must disengage to open, so it's quite secure when closed. There is an easy link system that gives you 5mm of tool-free adjustment. It's the equivalent of adding or removing one sizable link. And then you can see internally there are 3 divots that are drilled in. The divots let you change the anchoring point of the bracelet inside the clasp for more fine-tuning of the size. Very solid. Nicely executed with a straight through stripe of polish. Jump into the case, you can see the case is all of polish, and the hoods are polished, the flanks are polished. This is not the super case profile. This is a kinder, gentler era of Rolex design that lives in the Datejust, the Date8, and the Daytona for the most part. The timepiece featuring a screw-down crown, 100 meters water-resistant stainless steel. That single bar means it's the stainless steel trip lock. The domed bezel profile denoted by the watch's 00 reference. It's a nice transition from the rounded case to the dial itself, which is nicely executed in grayscale tones. Getting a bit closer and improving the focus, you can see that the dial is a combination of railroad track outboard for the minutes and seconds of the dial, and inboard all applique and black filled white gold Roman numerals with a 5-point white gold Rolex crown at 12 o'clock. You can see the black filled hands offer exceptionally high contrast, the Cyclops eye magnifying a black on white no nonsense date disc. The movement underneath the Oyster screw in case back, protected to 100 meters, is the Rolex caliber 3135 automatic winding 48-hour power reserve, 28.8 beat rate, 31 joules, with hacking seconds and a quick set date function. It features a full balance bridge with a free-sprung index for shock resistance, a handmade Breguet overcoil of Rolex's own design and fabrication, so they can keep excellent time in any orientation with respect to gravity. It's the advantage of a Breguet overcoil, concentric beating of the hairspring, and ultimately the timepiece being tough in that it is the same movement fitted to contemporary Rolex Submariners. So though the watch could be read as a sports watch or a dress watch, the heart of a Submariner lives in this generation of Datejust. And for that matter, at the time this watch was made, it was also the movement inside of a Sea Dweller. Tough, accurate as a COSC certified Swiss chronometer, and plenty water resistant, this is the all the time, never take it off Rolex. See it and make it yours on the Watchbox.